Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, friends, welcome back to my crafts corner. Today we are going to explore some fun and active fabric crafts ideas that you can make at home. Don't worry, you don't need fancy tools. Just take some old fabric, scissor glue and litter up your home. Let's start with the first idea, fabric flowers. Cut a circle of fabric and fold them in half and stitch or glue them in the center. Join 5 or 6 petals together and you have a cute little flowers. You can use this to decorate handbags, cloth or even gifts for friends and second idea, fabric keychain. Cut small shapes like heart, star or circle. Stitch 2 pieces together and fill with cotton. Add a key ring and you have a soft color keychains. Third idea is bookmark, friends. Cut a strip of fabric, glue it on cardboard and add a small bow or buttons on top. They are perfect for kids and bookslivers. Fourth idea, fabric storage basket. Take all jeans on stick fabric, cut into rectangle and fling them side together.